Hello friends, today I am going to talk about another small but important homeopathic remedy. Why important? Because you may prescribe most used homeopathic remedies like Apis, Pulsatilla, Belladonna, Agaricus, etc. instead of this one. So let's see the symptoms of the remedy. They can be dull kind of headache, a moderate to severe intensity of headache, and as if he has drunk. So this is very disturbing headache. He cannot rest, a restless kind of headache with the inflammation of the eyelids. Eyes are very weak, watery, and there can be constantly appearing a blurring film on the eyes. The peculiar symptom of this remedy is that the twitching of the lower eyelid. All these symptoms are aggravated in warm room. Other symptoms are constipation, profuse urination, and profuse saliva in the mouth with sweetish taste. And another symptom is that there will be sleepiness. Why sleepiness? Because of insomnia. He cannot sleep. He will sleep for few minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes, and he will wake up. All the symptoms are aggravated at night and in the warm room, and symptoms are ameliorated in the open air. So the name of the remedy is Aranea Scinencia. It is very beautiful homeopathic remedy. If you know the symptoms, then you can prescribe it in 6C or 30C with beautiful results. So this was the remedy for today. Thank you.